very unfortunate. I know, I am fully aware that when fish water is getting discharged as an effluent, it has got high BODs, high CODs, it has got high FOG, that is fat, oil and grease, and this fat, oil and grease is highly dangerous for this one, kettles. At the same time, there are bacteria, there are amoebas, there are diphorans, and all this water is very dangerous for the cattle. And our fish industry has to control this water discharge. This is what I principally believe. But the solution is not the closure. The solution is we have to see that they do not discharge it outside. Many of these fish industries, when I questioned them on this issue, they said, it is fish water, it doesn't have anything. But as an engineer, I am fully aware that fish water is very dangerous because it has got FOG, it has got, as I said, it has got amoeba, it has got bacteria, it has got high COD content, high BOD content, and because of this, drinking of this water should not be allowed by cattle. Not only that, the cattle grazing on this field, okay, can give dangerous milk. And if this milk is consumed by humans, it can also be dangerous. And closure is not a solution. Closure only leads to revenue loss to the government. It also leads to the unemployment, people don't get their wages, and it can be very dangerous for the people who are working there. The only solution is the Goa State Pollution Control Board should be as a counselor to stop all these things. This is what I principally believe.